Wave Cave Trail.
4 years after the last video.
Yeah. Still got the wrong shoes on.
Exactly. My trouble. We're trying to wear
basketball shoes. All right. Wave Cave, easy trail, about 3 miles. Superstition Mountain Range. I forget, what's the elevation gain?
About 800, 900.
What's the date?
6th.
March 6th.
2025.
I lost my drone. Do a little active track on the way out here. Drone is down right about here. I want you to document this, please. So, trying to find my phone. It says I'm 0.2 miles away. 0.2 miles away. Trying to find the drone. Did I say my phone? My drone. It says 200 feet.
200 feet. A little bit up here.
Survey the area here. I don't think it was that far off the trail.
Damn, dude. You gotta have a good eye, bro. Very good eye.
See if she's okay. Hopefully the gimbal, some scratches, came down hard. Sorry, baby. It's about time I put some new props on there. Thank God I found it. And how many feet are we off the trail, man? Like 20, 40?
Yeah, something like that.
So, well, the software was able to pinpoint where it dropped, where its last signal was. It did its job. The DJI map wasn't as helpful as switching over to the Google map that it allowed me to use to find the pinpoint of where it dropped. You just, in this situation, you got to slow down, get the right orientation, know where you are, where it is. I found the spot off the trail and narrowed it into this little area, but I think you can kind of panic and freak out and start fucking making bad decisions, and one thing leads to another. So that's the first time it's just dropped. I've had it crash going sideways into something tracking me. That's the first time the battery just died and it just dropped. So just put a fresh battery in and see if she's okay. deer, man. Oh yeah. All right, all right. Come on, Bubba. It's bigger than I thought. Hey. What's up? Oh, that's good timing. So, you want the silhouette? You want protein bar?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Feel good now.
Feel good? We're pressing. Hazy, man. It's a hazy day. You know what on a hazy day makes me want?
What?
A good hazy IPA, baby.
Hazy IP.
Little church music.
Taste it already.
Leave in the comments section, what's your favorite beer? What's your favorite hazy? Because, you know, we're not sponsored by them, but I'm going to give them a shout out. You know, the Shop Beer Co. out of Tempe. I'm looking for sponsors. Drop back down off the hillside. Parking lot. Yeah, it's gorgeous. You got Peralta Trails like around the corner right there. You go up. All right, signing off.